you have any question, you can ask in the question and answer session. Yeah, we don't have any more questions. Then now we will go to our next presentation. So before that, I want to share my screen and want to run a quick video actually. Okay, now in the pandemic situation, everyone is learning from home. So now distance learning is a very common topic. And I would like to request Nitin Joshi to start his presentation and do the self-introduction. Nitin, is over.
Yeah, hi. I hope I'm audible.
Yes.
Masood?
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks, Masood, and thanks, DCiCON team, and for this opportunity. And I welcome everyone from India. Namaskar and Assalamu alaikum, and a warm good afternoon to everyone. Because in Bangladesh is afternoon now, so this opportunity to take you through the offer what we have, how we can encash the current situation where everyone has to be working from home, learning from home, and collaborate from home. So let's see what we as CVTE with brand MaxUp has in our portfolio for you, and how you as an end user or as a system integrator can take advantage out of it. Because whatever we as a company has, which makes win-win for everyone. So allow me to share my screen first. I hope it's visible to everyone. So online collaboration is now a new normal. As a MaxUp, we have solutions in and around interactive as well as collaboration products, which I will take you through quickly during this presentation. In the last, we will be covering any kind of questions related to anything which I will be covering. And even if it's not being covering, but you have as a query, please let's keep it for the last, so that if I can have answer, I can answer you immediately, or else will to Masood later on from our side. Global OEM for TV manufacturing, as well as LCD and LED TV mainboard manufacturing. And Maxim is the brand which is globally. These are the pictures from our headquarters. Base is founded in 2005 and we have just completed. In 9 years, the company has 2 billion US dollars and a strength of 10,000 plus employees. Our 60% in engineering department. This company, we don't own any manufacturing. It's all outsourced, but outsourced terms and condition, quality, standard, and everything. So we don't compromise with the standard what we have. The business range, what we Hello, I think some connection problem. Hello. Hello. Okay. Let me share the screen again.
We can hear you. Yeah, you were lost, but we can hear you now. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sorry for that. So we are number one OEM for interactive flat panel globally for both education as well as corporate. We have sold more than 1.6 million interactive flat panel globally as our own brand as well as OEM. So we have been factory for multiple brands, which I cannot name due to NDA signed with them. But most of the global brands which you are seeing, even in Bangladesh, are our good customers, and we are working for them as a factory. In corporate interactive flat panel, we have all-in-one solution with built-in camera, built-in speaker, built-in microphone, interactive collaboration, and built-in computing system. So that's why we call them all-in-one display solution. So in that also we have sold more than 150,000 plus interactive flat panel in last 2 years only, because we have opened Maxhub as a brand for corporate solution since 2017 onwards only. So there is R&D strength, more than 2,900 plus engineers we have in our team. 4,000 plus patent have been filed until 2019 December. And as a company, we have been investing 150 million US dollars in R&D every year since 2018, when we have developed the R&D department. These are the different department what we have. Under component departments comes white goods mainboard, TV mainboard, and similar kind of products line. In future education and corporate services comes the solution which I will be covering today under my presentation. Intelligence hardware and artificial intelligence comes under R&D, and healthcare is a department you can say a BU, business unit, which we are only focusing in China. These are the product range which I will be covering during my today's presentation, and which are part of the online collaboration offering from Maxhub side. First of all is the interactive flat panel, in which we have sizes from 55 inch up to 98 inches. It has both education as well as enterprise interactive flat panel. We have active LED video wall solution that's both standard with fixed sizes from 110 inches up to 220 inches diagonal with various pixel pitches. And we also have customized video wall solution both for indoor as well as outdoor requirement. It's a wireless mirroring box, unified communication bar with built-in camera, microphone array, speaker system, Android-based computing solution, wireless presentation, and whatnot. This is a wireless Bluetooth speaker, again part of a online collaboration product line. This is an e-podium, an interactive touchscreen with portable solution, and it is also having a battery life up to 6 hours. So a keys to a successful collaboration system. What are the key feature for a successful collaboration or making a collaboration successful, a collaboration system, a collaboration solution successful? Let's see that. It should be intuitive operations, means it should not be a new out of the box or first time experience kind of product for which a user or first time user or a product or an end customer who have not been used it before should not get shocked using it or should not get surprised using it. What exactly it is, how to use it. It's looking very cumbersome or it's looking very difficult, not, and you can say not easy to use. So this should be one of the key feature for any collaboration product. That's why you must have seen how Zoom, how platform like Team, WebEx, and similar kind of platform which has been, adopted largely during last 8-9 months time period of this pandemic, have changed themselves with multiple features add-on, with multiple new add-on uh, applications, new collaboration with different kind of product line, be it hardware or software. So that's how it should be always. It should be scalable. Scalable means right now I'm talking to you using my laptop from my home office. At the same time, if I'm in office right now, I can use the same solution in my normal TV, smart TV, or normal non-touch TV. If it's a good meeting room I have with the interactive display, I can also use the same solution. So this should be scalable. So you can see from the picture which I'm showing. So it's showing all the scalable solution possible, be it a single room, an open space, a large room, meeting room, or a very large gathering auditorium. A flexible content sharing, that's a key feature, a key demand of any collaboration solution. So you can see in the picture how various users are sharing their portable devices wirelessly with the interactive flat panel, and at the same time the person who is presenter is using his laptop wirelessly from the display itself using this dongle, wireless dongle, and can making annotation from the display itself. So it's a two-way communication, not only from the laptop on the interactive flat panel, but from the interactive flat panel, user can also control the attached computing system. Effortless unified communication. So that means when you connect, it just click and go. When you connect, it just adapt as per the requirement of that room, as per the requirement of the customer. So you can see in the picture, we are connected our unified communication bar, our UC bar with one display. It could be interactive and non-interactive, and we are having a unified communication call. Most probably it seems like a Zoom call itself. So you just plug and play with any product and it should go immediately. So as a Maxer, we are not only an interactive flat panel manufacturer, but we are a solution provider. I'm really sorry for this glitch. I think something wrong at my end in the connectivity, which generally not happens, but I really apologize for that. And let me continue my presentation where I was in last slide. So teleconferencing, huddle and brainstorming, training, or a presentation. These are the key feature or the key requirement for any collaborative solution requirement these days. So this is what our interactive flat panel for any enterprise or conference room requirement this fulfills. So this interactive display is replacing an old technology of projector, a TV display, a requirement of advertising or signage, a whiteboarding, computing solution, or combination of speakers, microphone array, and camera. So all what you are seeing here, everything is built in with this display, what we call as enterprise solution of Maxim, and you are just requiring power, Wi-Fi or a cable connection, internet connection, and software of your choice, be it Zoom, a team, or any software, whichever you are feel free to use it. Because our solution, our hardware products are agnostic to any of these softwares. So this is our all-in-one interactive flat panel solution with built-in camera, single camera, or multiple camera features. Let's go little deep on the same and see how the using scenario we can have in enterprise first, and then after I will be covering education solution as well. So as I earlier mentioned, how in a enterprise or a corporate, what kind of rooms and solutions or what kind of rooms are there for which are really looking for a solution? It should be an open space, which is an growing scenario these days. This open space means an agile room concept in which an all-in-one display on a floor stand or a movable stand can be used for immediate and brainstorming and idea discussion session anywhere within the office. I will be covering this. Huddle room, a scenario which is very common nowadays. A medium size meeting room, large size meeting room, or be it a large size auditorium. Let's go through all these concepts in my further slides. So this is how an open space should be. We as a company has recently done during 2019 similar kind of requirement for a big group called Accenture, TCS, and Infosys when they have asked us a agile room concept where they want an all-in-one solution on this kind of elegant looking floor stand or a trolley, so that this can be moved anywhere within the same floor wherever. A team of 2 or 4 or maximum up to 6 can be utilize this for their discussion on any topic, or they can even have a conference call, be it audio or a video, with their customers sitting far in, and can share what comes in their mind or what they think on the current project when they are working sitting in India with a customer sitting in UK, US, or anywhere in the globe. This is an open space scenario. This is the solution which we have designed for those brand companies I mentioned. A floor stand, an all-in-one display, interactive display X3 means a third generation display of interactive flat panel from Maxim. It could be any size, depend upon the requirement of your customer. 55 inch, 65 inch, 75 inch, or 86 inch. So this helps as a team building activity, team working together, work as a team, together discussion, brainstorming, and idea sharing session. It's a portable solution, can be moved anywhere with a lightweight and with a wheel-based trolley. A huddle room, a 2 to 6, which are many in corporates. These are multiple rooms which enterprise has built up in place of larger size or medium sized rooms. Enterprise were preferring before pandemic. Enterprise were preferring to go rooms. This is the scenario for a huddle room where this all-in-one, either an all-in-one display of Max brand or RUC bar can be utilized along with the wireless dongle for wireless presentation. So as I mentioned earlier, if you remember, the unified communication bar will also comes with built-in wireless collaboration, which can be used with this clicker, this dongle, which is just a plug-and-play device through USB of your Mac or Windows PC. This is second scenario in that a wireless mirroring box, the wireless device, can be attached to a non-touch or non-Maxup brand display solution, okay, for wireless presentation, and any huddle room can be converted for a multiple party collaboration room. At the same time, using Maxup wireless collaboration, wireless presentation solution, up to 8 devices or 8 people can be connected, but only 4 can be viewed quad view format. It's on the TV. On flat panel Maxup, which is only one solution of Maxup, just also comes with dongles with it. Means up to 4 can be seen where wireless presentation on display and this small speaker solution. So in that case, if the inbuilt mic is not enough for coverage of that room, then this speaker system can be connected with the display, wired and wirelessly both, and can be used for your unified communication call. This is second scenario of the similar kind of room. So I will not be exaggerating or explaining it more, because I think that's known to everyone, be it end user or a system integrator or a channel partner. Here we are using a video bar of Maxup with a non-touch or any display solution of non-Maxup brand, and this can be utilized for a medium room in unified communication collaboration. A large size meeting room where largest screen like 75 inch or is required. Speakers has been done with 4 wireless presentation devices, and this could be our Maxup all-in-one display solution. This is a same room with 2 display solution where a bar has been used, UC bar has been used, Bluetooth speaker has been used, and one display is for unified communication and other is for local presentation. A medium-sized lecture hall, or you can say a lecture hall, a large gathering auditorium. Here we are using our Maxup integrated LED video wall solution, which is an all-in-one device, can be utilized just out of the box, can be installed in 2 hours time from 110 to a 220 inch diagonal size. Okay, easy to operate and very lightweight in its design. It comes with various other features which I will be covering going forward. So these are the sizes what Maxup is having in last 2 generation. Currently we are with generation 2 also. Generation 1 we have launched 1 year back. So we have sizes like 110 inches to 120 inches, 138, 150, 165, 180 and 220 inches diagonal with different pixel pitch sizes, full HD and high resolution. This display can be used for display purpose in various indoor scenario. So these are basically an indoor active LED video wall solution, what we have right out of the box. You don't need any video wall processor with it because it is having its own launcher and also having Android OS built in. So let's discuss a little more on this, because based on this, we will be having solution going forward for our collaboration part. So I will not be repeating or these points. I request you to have a readout so that in case you have any doubt, we can cover that later on. So you can see here are the different pixel pitch from 102 mm, and it goes up to 2.5 mm pixel pitch sizes. It also comes with built-in wireless presentation, because this wireless presentation solution is our own patent technology, our own in-house technology. So whichever products are suitable and fit for this product, this solution, we bundle that product with our wireless presentation solution. So here also, at any given point of time, 8 people can be connected wirelessly, 8 portable devices can be connected precisely, and only 4 can be visible in a quad view format on your screen. It's an hot swappable video wall solution, which I will be showing you or maybe clearing you what hot swappable auto calibration and this part means for to you in a small video in slides coming forward. So this is the solution. Here on the wall you can see an active LED non-touched video wall, which is connected with a touch screen of Maxer. It could be wirelessly connected or connected through wired, because all our interactive flat panel are having HDMI out with it. So with those HDMI out, we can connect to any third party touch or non-touch display and can replicate whatever going on the MaxHub interactive flat panel. So this scenario of a larger gathering can be utilized with any of this size of non-interactive LED video wall, and interactive flat panel of the presenter size or requirement, be it a 65, 55, 75 or 86, depends the gathering, the choice of the presenter. This can be utilized here, okay, and can be connected wirelessly for showing to the larger gathering. So this is the interactive lantern, which I have mentioned earlier. It is having an touch screen, 21.5-inch screen, which is a dual touch technology, which is EMR, electromagnetic radiation, plus capacitive touch. So with capacitive means something same as our smartphones these days. That's kind of a capacitive touch display, smartphones. So this is having an Intel PC built in. This is having a wireless presentation again built in. So using this product, you can do wireless presentation on any of MaxHub interactive flat panel or active LED video wall without connecting any wire. You can electrically adjust the height of this podium, which is a unique solution, which is a unique proposition in this kind of product these days from MaxHub. This is built off of toughened glass, which is by far and by default solution offering from us for all our interactive flat panel. This comes with 2 gooseneck mics. It is also having inbuilt speakers, which are not large enough. So there's an audio out and HDMI out also, so that you can connect that with an external display and external speaker system. So this is the scenario. A second scenario with active LED video wall integration with our ePodium or interactive lantern solution. So you can see number one on the wall is the active LED video wall, and it's connected wirelessly or through wired with our interactive lantern. So this is for a larger gathering rooms where the presenter or the trainer wants to face the trainees and do all the interactivity on the lectern itself, which can be seen on the active LED video wall behind the presenter, so that the presenter always facing its trainees and its viewers during the presentation. This is a small video which I want to play for you. It's showing the integration between the video wall and the interactive lectern. So this is having both Android as well as Windows. So in that video, I was trying to show how, an interactive lectern of Maxup has been wirelessly connected with the activity video wall. And at the same time, she was doing interactivity on the display of interactive lectern, and the viewers can see that on the wirelessly connected activity video wall. So this is a part of the collaboration offering from ours. Let's go through few more slides on how a training room solution can be designed. This is a training room scenario where activity video wall and interactive touch panel has been utilized. It's the same scenario which I have covered earlier, and this can be used with the Maxup lectern as well. At customer side, active LED video wall on the wall connected with the interactive flat panel of Maxup. This is the live case we have done at an end customer in Singapore. This is again with interactive lectern connected interactive, non-interactive active LED video wall. This we have done in China. This is a plain interactive, non-interactive LED video wall for a small area. So what I covered so far, let's go through the products offering from us in interactive flat panel for enterprise, ultimate series, which are our all-in-one solution, interactive flat panel with 4K display by default. Standard series, the difference between standard series and ultimate series is standard series comes with single camera, 8 megapixel. It's an SD camera. At the same time, ultimate series comes with 12 megapixel SD camera with smart switching. So in ultimate series, one camera is at the top of the display, one each on each side of left and right, so that during a collaboration call or a unified call, that left and right camera switches as it senses the meeting people in the room speaks from left and right side. Both of the displays comes with built-in 6 microphone array, which covers up to a range of 8 meters. It's a high precision interactive touch displays. Ultimate series comes with EMR plus PCAP, which is unique of its kind, and we don't have any competition with this kind of touch technology from anywhere in globe. Standard series, that's an IR based touch display, which is for mass corporate uses, and that's why that's very price competitive as well. So by default, we give our enterprise solution with dual OS. One is Android and another is Windows OS, Windows 10. Integrated activity video wall, which I have shown in my earlier slides, it comes with built-in Android 7 Plus version. That's a plug-and-play device, which also comes with this wall mount display and option of ceiling mounting or a floor stand as well. So this product, which is a non-touch display, comes in sizes from 110 to 220 inches, can be used for any indoor scenario as a right out of the box solution. This is our smart lectern, and on the right side you can see a PC module from Intel, one of the largest customer for Intel for interactive flat panel. We as CVT shake hand with Intel for global market. So we are using the latest chipset and our While being built-in, Steve plus EMS technology is an Lacton with built-in camera, built-in battery. It is also electrically height adjustable and various other feature. Bluetooth speaker, that's omnidirectional speaker system with 6 microphone array. It's connected via Bluetooth as well as a USB cable and aux cable as well. It can be used for 8 hours with a single charging. Our unified communication bar, UC bar, that comes with built-in camera, an HD camera, wireless mic system, which cover up to range of 8 meters. It also comes with built-in acoustic echo cancellation, noise reduction, and gain control built-in. And it is also having face detection technology, which auto frame as soon as a speaker speaks in the room, and it sends that speaker, resize the frame as per the speaker and detects that and capture the picture to send to the far end. Wireless presentation, it also comes with built-in Android OS. It works both on 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. It's having dual HDMI out, okay, and it is having a CPU on which the Android OS works, which has a 4 GB RAM and a 16 GB ROM built in. So you can just plug a USB device with it, and if you have any multimedia file or office file, you can directly play that through this wireless presentation box. These are the accessories: screen sharing dongle, which comes by default with our enterprise series, and also can be used with our interactive Lacton, activity video wall, and even UC bar as well. This is accessory EMR pen, electromagnetic pen. This is having its own circuit. So when you use that with our interactive Lacton or which this product is only applicable. So even put your close touch the screen, it always gives first preference to electromagnetic technology. So we try to pen any other technology in it's also a very intuitive experience in any enterprise scenario. Let's see what we have for education, because whatever I have been covering so far is only for enterprise and getting the enterprise using rooms.
I think Nitin, you are
Yeah,
back.
yeah, I'm back. Can you see it?
Yes, we can see. Yes, carry on.
I'm sorry for this problem. So let's continue where I left last. Education solution. In education, what we have is a solution which for a classroom, for a school, for any institution, education institution, cover from class preparation, class interaction, campus management, as well as distance learning. So combining all together, we have our offering under Maxup brand, which will fulfill any of your requirement from education segment point of view. Let's see what we have in our offering. So when we say class preparation, we give a bundle solution, a bundle applications, which has been designed by our in-house software team of more than 200 engineers, capture software, and Easy Note 5, an interactive whiteboard software. This can be used for preparation of class presentation, class notes, class syllabus. When as a teacher you want to teach your students on any of your subject, be it science, math, SST, social studies, or be it economics. So you can utilize these tool capture, which is a screen capturing and editing software, and EasyNote is an interactive whiteboard software. See, this teacher is using screen capture solution. Using that, a video can be prepared or only an audio can be recorded, okay, along with interactive screen recording. So when you are using an screen capture on MaxUp interactive whiteboards, interactive flat panel, or even in your laptop sitting at home for preparing your presentation, you can record your voice, you can make the presentation interactive at the same time. Different camera can also be connected, if you can see from the software. So it gives you a professional editing experience, professional recording experience out of the box, because this product, this particular application is part of education software suite from MaxUp. This is EasyNote 5, one of the latest updated and most upgraded software of interactive whiteboard which MaxUp has been launched recently. This can be used for, both in online as well as offline mode. In online, cloud activation is required, and in offline, this can be used for teaching in the classroom, right? And can be used for class preparation, class notes preparation at the same time. So you can see here how a class interaction can be done with education software suite, which is part of MaxUp education solution offering. So this is MaxUp education series, the interactive flat panel. This is a feature of, dual color pen feature of our latestly added display solution. Interactive whiteboard software. Android OS is by default part of our offering, be it education or enterprise. Connect is a software to control your interactive flat panel in the classroom, being anywhere in the classroom using your portable device, be it a smartphone or your tablet, Windows, Mac, or Android. So this is how our education series hardware looks like. So it comes in different sizes from 55 and goes up to 86 inches diagonally. It's very narrow bezel display with 89% screen to body ratio. It is having lowest parallax available in the industry from any interactive flat panel. It is also having uh, what do you call that, a technology which is used for intuitive writing experience. That's the reason we are giving you 20 touch point, okay, at the same time 10 points writing experience. It's come by default with Android 8, and PC is there Intel i5 as standard. You can also have the same product without PC in case you want to utilize your existing PC in the classroom. These screens what we are using are anti-glare and with a toughened glass with 7 MOH hardness. We are using the advanced operating system, be it Windows 10 or Android OS. Both are the latest in its own. Note the EasyNote 5 software, which can be utilized for classroom writing, for classroom interaction. You can see how easy the notes kind of things can be done, writing in your own way. The writing can be even converted into freehand writing to a type text format. The table can be, table can be formed. Okay, shapes can be formed, or even graph can be formed using the software. So these are the various features which you can experience yourself by visiting our partner, Mr. Masood and team in Bangladesh. They have our samples ready with them, and that can be experienced by anyone who has similar kind of requirement from enterprise or education. So other features what we are offering with our education software education offering is screen recording solution. You can even lock the screen. Air class can be done, which is like, you know, broadcasting whatever you have in the display as a teacher can be broadcast to various students within the same class and even sitting in their respective homes. This is also comes with split screen feature, which was earlier only part of the enterprise. Now with the new education CDs, MaxHub has launched split screen, four split screen view or four presenter wireless presentation technology ready with a new educational solution. EasyNote 5 can be utilized in classroom situation. So using interactive whiteboard EasyNote 5, a classroom can be used, in an interactive way. Engagement between students and teacher, engagement between student and interactive flat panel is very easy. So on the screen you can see maybe a kindergarten or lower standard classrooms, how a teacher has make a game to engage students in the classroom. Boundless education tools, be it related to any subject, related to any feature, any operational, required, like, a graph, a geometry, any shape, 3D or 2D. All these features are built in our new education series. This is the Connect software which I have mentioned earlier. It's also part of our education suite offering with our interactive flat panel for education segment. So this, if you can see and can make out that how using its tablet, teacher is controlling the display, interactive flat panel display of MaxHub wirelessly in the same classroom. So engage, this increase the engagement between the teacher, the lecturer, and the students, because with this, teacher can be within the students anywhere in the classroom. So students become more attentive, students become always alert, that never know when teacher can be next to me and can ask me anything, giving his portable device to me and can ask that please answer the question on the display. So this is one of the feature what we offer. Remote management, this is a software very important and useful when we consider various interactive flat panel deployment within the same school, same campus, same town or city, or maybe same state, a larger state. Because what it does is gives a complete control of the connected, wirelessly or wired connected display anywhere in the same network. Our IT administrator or admin manager can see the operations of each of the connected display. Like this left screen of this admin manager, you can see multiple displays is showing. Okay, and he can even see what's going on, what is the performance, can be control the on and off time of the display, can see, what's if there is any issue, firmware upgradation can be done like this. Okay, a broadcast message can be done. Okay, maybe if there is for example, if any town next to the sea level and there is any natural calamity which is expected, so message can be broadcast so that all the schools, all the classroom can be evacuated and a quick messaging can be done. So there are similar way multiple other features also are there in this remote management, which is very useful for any campus, any scenario for education. Even this can be utilized for non-education in corporate scenario also, where they have multiple displays deployed in the same campus or same building. So this is our distance learning. So when we say distance learning, so this means, utilizing our united unified communication bar, UC bar, okay, with our non all-in-one display solution. Because in our education, we don't provide any built-in camera, built-in microphone, or other solution like wireless presentation earlier. But now with our new education solution, we have wireless presentation built in, but still camera and microphone are not the part of that. So for that, any third-party camera and microphone system can be attached, can be used with our education series offering of Maxup. And at the same time, our UC bar can be utilized and connected for a connection with the guest lecture sitting far end, or any other class, maybe class interaction between Bangladesh and India can be done through this distance learning process. Similarly way, nowadays in India, I think similar must be happening in Bangladesh also, that most of the coaching center or tuition center uh, are converting themselves from earlier educational, the conventional way of education teaching has been now become the online teaching. So what they are doing, they are buying interactive flat panel from brands like Maxim and attaching a camera, a microphone, and making some light adjustment so that they can go online and can teach their students who are sitting in their respective homes and can continue their subject, continue their teaching without any hurdle, without any restriction anymore. So this is how we are showing in this particular slide how an online education can be done using Maxup solution. A UC bar of Maxup, an interactive flat panel of Maxup can be used for similar online teaching scenario. This unified communication bar comes with the 15 degree of vertical tilting. That's an feature of the camera. Then it's having an aperture of 1.8, voice localization, acoustic echo cancellation, noise reduction, gain controls are of built-in feature. We have put a chipset which control all these key features. 12 megapixel automatic auto framing and auto adjusting camera is built in. It's also having 120-degree field of view, which is quite good enough for a teacher to roam around and teach their students while they are doing an online education. The few other features of our UC bar. So this is the education segment offering of Maxup. Interactive flat panel, the PC module. This is a dummy pen, or you can say an IR pen, which has dual touch writing. This is a product which we have very recently launched and is now available for sales globally, mostly in Asian countries and up to Middle East, because beyond that we are not selling a Maxup brand so far, but we are selling our non-interactive active LED video wall solution globally. So I have mentioned earlier about our collaboration or our relation engagement with Intel. So with Intel, we also have one solution called as Intel Unite, which bundle with interactive display panel of education CDs of Maxup. So using that in education scenario or even in enterprise scenario, how collaboration can be done, let's go through that quickly. So when we say collaborate, that means it should be a portable solution, a solution which can be utilized from anywhere, and it should be hassle-free. So with Intel Unite solution bundled with Maxup display, we can go up to 100 parties broadcast without putting any extra hardware with Maxup interactive flat panel and Intel Unite ready PC system, which is bundled with our interactive flat panel. Our 4-screen wireless presentation, which I have mentioned earlier, is anyways be offering from us. It's not only a one-sided, but it's a two-way communication. Even annotation can be done, okay, both at the client as well as IFP side. Even As a teacher, I can share file with all my students who are sitting in their respective homes and taking lecture from its lecturer online. Reliable wireless sharing because it's secure. Multiple presentation is possible. Annotation can be done. So all these things has been taken care by Intel while designing their Unite solution. I have already covered this slide before. File sharing up to 100 parties connection and so on. So this way, utilizing this solution, you can go broadcasting your classroom, your lecture to up to 100 students at the same time. It gives you an interactive session very intuitively and make engage your students, be it offline or online mode. Data is encrypted and Intel takes this part very seriously. That's why with Intel Unite, your data encryption is secure from end to end. This can also be integrated with video collaboration, video conferencing applications with ease from Intel's software. Any hardware, third-party hardware, camera, or a microphone system is just a plug and play with Intel Unite application. They also provide an application with which you can make this solution interactive and easily set up. Let's see a case study, how we have done deployment and in which all scenario. In ABP, Singapore, we have put our display and they are using it in their enterprise scenario, in their meeting room, conference room scenario. In Singapore, JS, it's a logistics company. We have utilized our display solution for meeting rooms, for huddle rooms, and similar kind of scenario where they are utilizing wireless presentation, brainstorming session, and idea sharing session on day-to-day basis. Singapore ABP is our one of the client, which a key client, who are deploying more than 20 plus display solution of Maxhub. So I have covered what all we have in enterprise and education segment as our offering. But let's know a little more about Maxhub as a brand. It might be new brand for you, but it's no more a new brand for global market. And with help of Mr. Masood and his team, we are no more a new brand for Bangladesh as well. With this step, with this particular platform, we officially launched ourselves for Bangladesh market with Masood sir, professional team and well-trained staff. We are readily available for giving you an experience of how a product can be used, how the experience is. Please feel free, get in touch with their team so that you can be utilize their solution very well. So this is about our parent company, CVTE. So CVTE, as I mentioned earlier, is a conglomerate based out of Guangzhou as our headquarter and having global presence, be it Hong Kong, Japan, India, Middle East, and even in Europe. This company is having more than 5,000 employees as on date. Out of that, 2,900 plus is our technical staff. This company has started in 2005 and gone public limited in 2017 in Shenzhen Stock Exchange. So this is the in-house quality assurance labs what we have. So with this labs, EMC lab, the lab for radiation testing, the lab for OTA. So because as I mentioned, TV mainboard is one of our key business for CVT group, and every third television getting manufactured in the world are using CVT mainboard in it. So it's a saying in TV industry, same as Intel chipset is there in every PC getting manufactured. Same way, this is how in this TV industry that every third TV is getting manufactured with CVT mainboard. This is about our company so far, a parent company, I mean CVTE. Few achievements which can be considered as accolades by us achieved in last 15 years. The investment what we have done in R&D, this slides give you brief of that. How the company focusing on different technology, how the company focusing on different investment in research and development, so that our products which we are designing, which we are manufacturing, should be latest and updated in terms of the use of technology within. So with this, my session has finished now, come to an end, and I open my session now for any question answer if you have. Please let me know so that I can able to answer with best of my knowledge for all your questions and answer.
Thank you, Nitin, for your nice presentation. I think if you have any question, anyone have any question, you can raise your hand or you can write the question in Q&A session. Actually, it's the lunch time, so maybe
Okay, that's why.
a lot of people are hungry.
That's why. Yeah, I can understand. So in that case, what we can do, in spite of stretching it further, because hungry mind cannot think, longer. So it's better let them have lunch, and we can, answer their queries if any comes to you later on.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Nitin.
My pleasure, and warm good afternoon from India to everyone. Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Yes. So our next session will start at 3 o'clock. It is a very, it will be a very nice and interactive session because it will be online kind of things and hands-on. It's the same quick notification management platform for data center. I think it will be very, first time it will be very good experience for you. And then next session, another session will be at 4 o'clock or 4:15. So discover how professional audio video technologies can transform your business. Then reliable power distribution in the data center. These three will be our afternoon session. After lunch it will start. Then today we'll have our last panel discussion. It's called data center monitoring. I think a few international speakers also will be there, and also DMD and CITO of Islamic Bank will be there. So I hope that you will enjoy next of the session also. And I think you enjoyed the morning, actually last 3 days session also till morning to right now. So it is actually very hectic job to, continue watching and listening, but we are very pleased to see a lot of audience and their keep passion to do it. So you can be online, you can be mute, no problem. See you at 3 o'clock. And see you, Nitin. I hope that you will also enjoy the next session.
Surely, Masood. I will be looking forward.
Yeah, thank you.